Alright, welcome into my computer. In this presentation, I'll be going over the best way to promote Clickbank products. Yes, I know Clickbank is not a very common product line that you want to promote, but as a complete beginner, it is the free method to get started as an affiliate. I actually promote high-ticket affiliate marketing. I had learned in progression from Clickbank all the way up to where I'm at today. So please understand, I do prefer high ticket, but for beginners that need to get their feet wet, so to speak, this is for beginners. And this is what I promote as a way to get you used to affiliate marketing in the very beginning. Even if you don't sell anything at all, it at least gets your feet wet, the understanding of what it is. Now, I do have recommendations of products that you should sell, but I will go into that in another video. In this presentation, I'll actually be referring to another video on my YouTube channel that you're more than welcome to check it out. Okay, so because I am promoting or sharing something that has to do with making money, I have to always give this disclaimer. The income is not guaranteed. You are the one responsible to make the money. This is for informational purposes only. Let's begin. So, as I have already mentioned, I have a video, or a series of videos rather, on Clickbank, exactly how to do it, step by step as a beginner. Now to watch it, you just look for it by typing Clickbank on my video section, and you'll see it that way. It's also on my playlist, Affiliate Marketing. I go in depth on it, more in detail than what I can in this video, because this video will be even more longer otherwise. And I'm trying to just get this information out to you quickly so that you can go ahead and get started today quickly. So the very first thing that we want to do is we want to get on Clickbank, we want to go to Marketplace, and we want to select a niche or a product in a niche which is a certain industry of interest. Health, wealth, and relationships are the three. If you go to my TikTok channel, you will actually see a video I just posted at the time of this video being recorded where I talked about affiliate marketing, explained in a different way. Of course, it is for 18 plus viewers of age due to the nature of some of the content that I share in that video. Again, just go to tiktok.com, Jones Random Knowledge 2, which is my handle on that channel, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. The product is important that you start there. Why is that? Because that's what's going to make you the money in the end. You want to send your customer or prospect that is going to eventually be a customer through a specific journey in your content. You're going to start with the product in mind, work your way back. I literally was doing this where I was deciding what I wanted to promote, deciding what kind of content I want to make to give an offer once somebody decides to take action, and then send them to that offer and hope for the best. Well, here is the proper way to do it, in detail. So we got our product, whatever it is you choose, in your niche. In my case, it's affiliate marketing, the wealth niche, how to make money online. So that is the product I'm going to choose from Clickbank. It's going to be just a generic one that is common, is a 12-minute affiliate. Devin Brown is the CEO of it. You can also go to clickbank.com, just search it up, you'll know what I'm talking about. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do in any online business is capture emails. How do you do that? You use a capture page. A capture page is literally a website that you have set up. It does not have to be a fancy website, it just has to be a text. It has to be a form that is connected to an autoresponder, which I'll get further in detail on this, where you collect the email. In order to collect that email, you got to give something away for free of value to the person that is wanting whatever it is that you're having to offer. The way I do this is I think of the product, I think of the niche, I decide what my audience is watching the video for, and offering something that they would want for free in exchange for their email. You'll see this in real time. If you continue on to the end of this video, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Then an email list is built over time through the content that I put out there that is promoting whatever the industry is, whatever the product is that I am choosing to sell. The email list is the asset of your business. It is the most vital part. you want to make sure that you're following up with those that have given their email and promoting to them and teaching them and administering information to them as best you possibly can as a knowledgeable person. Don't be fake. Don't pretend. Don't act like you know everything if you don't. Teach only what you know. Keep it as a journal or a video journey like I do. The content is literally up to you. There's 2 platforms I am currently using. You can use any kind of content platform you choose. Famous ones is Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. I'm going to share 2 video platforms that I use. TikTok, which is the main one that I am now generating a lot of leads with, to my YouTube channel, which you're currently watching right now. Literally, you make videos on certain subjects that are involving your niche, which offer a lead magnet, which then gets them on your email list, which then allows you to promote your product in the back end of your business. All this is in depth, and it is in real time at the end of this video. Here it is. The training is on the next slide. Here it is. For free, I have an affiliate marketing gift for you. When you go through the steps inside, you will learn exactly how to generate leads for your business, which leads to sales. And if you want more videos about affiliate marketing and lead generation, you just go up to my video playlist. You can go to leads and traffic, or you can go to affiliate marketing. There's tons more videos like this. But to get this affiliate marketing gift, here's where you need to go. jonesrandomknowledge.com. Up at the top is the link. Go there, put in your email. You'll get your free gift. You'll get some others that I will not mention here publicly because I want to over-deliver with what I promise. That being said, please do this as well. One more thing.